Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be making a Pavlova. Never actually had one, so I'm pretty pumped to make this. I got this from the Laura in the Kitchen cookbook, and I will link the cookbook down below and the link to her website. And I wanted to make this because I made some dinner rolls a couple days ago and I had some leftover egg whites that I didn't use in my dinner roll recipe, so I wanted to give this one a shot. So if you guys want to see how this turns out, just keep watching and I will get testing.
So for my Pavlova, I got going on whipping my egg whites, and this took quite a bit of time, as you can imagine. So I'm very grateful for my KitchenAid doing all that hard work for me. And then I made super fine sugar with just regular table sugar and blended it up. And then I added in some starch and my sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time until it dissolved. And then I tested it to see if it was still grainy, and it was not. So all the sugar was dissolved. And then I got my line and I traced it to make a circle to kind of eyeball where it was going. Added in cornstarch, vanilla, vinegar, and then mix that together. And then I put it on the circle that I traced and tried to get it as even as I possibly could. I mean, it was super sticky. And then I just baked it until it was nice and golden and done. And then I made whipped cream and sweetened it just a little bit, not very much actually. And once it was all done, I made my jam. And the recipe called for orange juice and zest, but I only had a lime, I didn't have an orange. So we just went with that just to see how it would go. And then put my whipped cream on. And then put the jam on, and it was all done. Super easy. And it looked really pretty too. Look at that. So gorgeous.
So this is what it looks like when it's all done baking and cooled off completely. Got more color than I thought it was gonna, but we're gonna go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. So you see how fluffy it is on the inside? Looks super good. You want to come try a bite with us, honey?
Of course we will.
Oh, really good idea on the jam. Aww.
It's like
It's like a peep.
It's like a slightly less sweetened marshmallow with whipped cream and jam. It's really good. It's like a toned down marshmallow.
And it's crunchy, but it's not like crispy. And it's not too sweet. Most of the sweetness comes from the whipped cream. Wow, this is like really good. If you have never had a Pavlova, don't hesitate. It might look weird because it cracks, but it's definitely, I mean, 10 out of 10, right? Yeah,
good.
Definitely. We're probably going to make this a ton now. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Leave any requests down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You made 2, right?
No, it was 1.